Welcome to How to Do Stuff and Sometimes Fix Things, where every now and again we might actually fix something. My name is Eric, and today we are looking at the faucet indicator reset and battery replacement for the RainSoft Ultrefiner 2 FMV filter monitor version electronic faucet. This dispenses the fresh drinking water for our reverse osmosis water filtration system. I do not work for RainSoft, nor am I affiliated with any company that sells or repairs these systems. This is just my opinion after using this system for the past 13 years. So last night I replaced the pre and post charcoal filters in my under-sink RO system. This is what it looks like. These are replaced in a 12-month interval. The middle cartridge, the membrane, only gets replaced every 24 months. But after replacing these, I was able to reset the monitor on the main outdoor unit, but I noticed that this yellow light on our faucet did not reset. It should normally flash blue while your filters are still good. So if you've replaced your filters and still see a yellow or red light, then follow these steps to reset it. I couldn't find any tutorials, so this is for anyone else trying to get the battery out or find the reset button. Surprise! It's inside the dispenser handle under this black waterproof cover with a hex set screw. You will need a utility knife or another sharp tool and a hex wrench to open the battery carriage and reset the indicator light. It is a metric size 1.5mm hex wrench or Allen wrench to be exact. So let's get started. Since the battery carriage axis is on the bottom of the handle, you will need to open the faucet to access the set screw. Turn on the faucet and use your 1.5mm Allen wrench to remove the set screw, turning counterclockwise. Once it is loose, you will notice the rubber flap lifts up to give you a tab to pull out the battery carriage. After you have removed the battery carriage, go ahead and turn off the water for now. To replace the battery, grab your utility knife or another sharp tool to pry out the battery. Pop it out of the battery tray and replace with a fresh CR2032 coin cell or button cell battery. When you put in the battery, make sure you put the positive side up with the plus sign showing here. You should see the LED flash on briefly to indicate power is restored. To reset the LED, find the tiny button to the left of the black rubber pull tab and hex set screw. Use your 1.5mm Allen wrench to press the button for 5 to 10 seconds until you see the LED flash 3 times with 2 colors, red, blue, red. Now the LED timer is reset and will notify you again in 12 months when your filters are due for replacement. Now turn on the faucet again to access the compartment for the battery carriage and get it seated in there really well to ensure it is watertight. I decided to close the faucet and press the battery carriage in a little further since it gave me better leverage. After it is in there nice and snug, get the set screw lined up and use your 1.5mm Allen wrench to turn the screw clockwise and set the tension back. I over-tightened mine a little bit and the faucet would not close, so I just backed out the screw a bit and then it was able to shut off the water properly. And that's it. Make sure the LED flashes blue and that the faucet is able to dispense water and stop the water flow when you close it. I hope you found this helpful, and let me know in the comments if you need any other tutorials for your RainSoft system.